it's time for our weekly videos. My name is Fan. I'm a certified financial planner, and this is William.
Yeah, I'm a rising sophomore at UCSD.
Yeah, so let's get into last week. So, William, any fun fact last week?
Yeah, so the FIFA World Cup was active this week, and there were major knockout round stages between England and Norway and Argentina and Switzerland, with England coming out on top and Argentina defeating Switzerland. And they are set to play this week in the World Cup semifinal.
Yeah, that's Tuesday and Wednesday. So, looking forward to that. So, what about economics data?
So initial unemployment claims were 215,000 for the week ending July 4th, which was down 2,000 from the prior week's revised level. And continuing claims rose by about 1.814 million, which means layoffs were still fairly low, but some unemployed workers were taking longer to find new jobs. And the main economic theme was a stable but cooling labor market with fewer new layoffs but slower hiring.
Yeah, that sounds like positive news. What about the stock market?
So the stock market was mostly positive last week, especially with large growth and technology stocks. And the market showed resilience for the week, with the S&P 500 rising about 1.2% and the NASDAQ rising about 1.7%. Giving both their second straight weekly gain, but the Dow did fall about 0.5%.
So what were some big reasons for these movements?
So one major reason was because investors were hoping weaker labor data could make the Fed less aggressive on future rate hikes. And for example, on Monday, AI/chip stocks rallied and Nvidia reassured investors, and Broadcom extended the Apple partnership through 2031. And on Tuesday, however, the sentiment did flip, with worries about AI valuations sent chip stocks tumbling, and the S&P did drop about almost 0.5%.
Wow. And some major haters, I guess?
Yeah, Micron, KLA, Marvell, Broadcom, and AMD all fell. And the semiconductor company Van Eck dropped over 3%.
Wow, which let the whole ETF sector for semiconductor go down quite a bit, right? Yeah, like any other big news?
Yeah, there is still some positive news about Micron because they announced to invest over $250 billion plus in US operations.
Wow.
And this helps steady the chip sentiment. And overall, technology and AI related stocks did help the NASDAQ outperform, but investors were still cautious because chip stocks have been very volatile recently.
Yeah, good summary. Lastly, what about oil price?
Yeah, so oil prices did rise again sharply in the middle of the week, with tensions between the US and Iran rising again.
Yeah, well, it's been an eventful week. We'll see what happens this week. Thank you for the summary.
Yep,
good job.
Thank you.
Until next week.
All right, bye.